hair that I'll be wearing. This is pretty. It's not that long either. Does it say the inches on here? I'll pop the inches up. Yeah, I'll pop the inches up on the screen. So it's a pretty short one. Oh, this would be cute. Cut in a bob too. This is a water wave. Look at the wave. That's pretty. Love the balayage. They know how to get me. Looks like this is a side part, pre-cut inside the wig. They have that non-slip band right here that keeps your wig on if you want to wear this glueless. You don't really have to worry about it slipping back. That's what these bands are for. And then it has this adjustable strap. This is the strap that I like. I prefer this strap right here over the drawstring, but it does have a drawstring for you. But this one right here holds down the tabs on the side. So when you adjust this band, it pulls on this part, if you guys can see that. So I like that. And then it has the comb, which I am a big fan of the comb. I just used that to just tuck everything in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this. This cap is like a one size fit all. It's very, very stretchy. I always get questions about that, but it's very, very stretchy. So we're gonna wash this. I'm gonna try to keep this part right here, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this on. This is gonna be easy. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair looks. Really pretty. I love it. And see, now you guys see why I like to use the Lotta Body. This time I didn't put as much Lotta Body in the mixture because the last time it was just a little crunchy. This time it's not as crunchy, but you guys can really see the curls. The color is shining through. It looks really nice, and I decided to just do a middle part because of the outfit that I'm getting ready to put on, so I think it'll go well with that. But I really like this. I want to cut some bangs in it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this just so you guys can see. And then if you wanted to do the flip over, which you guys know is my favorite way when I have curly hair, you can do it like that. Really cute. And where's my spray? I bought a new Peach Skin. Y'all know this is a hair perfume, and it just makes the hair smell so good. I love it. I love spraying it in my hair. So pretty, but really nice hair, really soft. And I love this length. This is so cute. Really cute. What y'all think about the length? I love it. I think it looks really nice. So pretty. Yeah, that's really cute. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.